Hare Krishna devotees, welcome to my channel Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. Bhagavad Gita, purpose of Bhagavad Gita, how to deliver the mankind from the nescience. This is very important understanding. What is the purpose of Bhagavad Gita? How to deliver the mankind from this material world. This is very important. We may end up somewhere else. So, what is the real problem in this world? The real problem we are facing is the misunderstanding with others. The real problem is misunderstanding. Others are misunderstanding us. That is a lot of problem. I may say something to you. That is not your liking. You dislike it. So you misunderstand me. This is the real problem. Others are misunderstanding us. That is a lot of problem. Isn't it? Yes. What you are saying is correct. We are facing a lot of problem that others are not understanding. We are working very hard that to make others understand us. Every day, so many gymnastics we do, so that others can understand us and appreciate us. Really, so all our endeavors are to make others understand us. Who we are, what we are, why we are saying that for the benefit of them. So many endeavors we made. This one truth revealed to others. Is it not that most of the people suffering with basic needs, they are struggling and suffering with bad relationships. Even the relationship between wife and husband, the relationship between son and father, the relationship between one to other, the relationship between devotees, the relationship between one devotee to another devotee. The husband says good, but that does not like by wife. So, in between husband and wife, misunderstanding, bad relationships. This is the material existence. Because our misunderstandings with others is Janma, Mrityu, Jara, Vyadhi is constant. Rather, other person is misunderstanding us. You misunderstanding him. So, to make him understand who we are, what we are, we will take birth. He will take birth. I will give much simpler example. Suppose your boss is very hard-hearted. So you are every day thinking how to teach him a lesson. In this life, it may not be possible. Next life, you have to become boss. He has to become your servant or das. So, one more life extended. Because you are feeling that he is doing injustice to you. In this way, birth, death, old age and disease are consequences of misunderstandings in our relationships. Because we misunderstand someone, we make him understand us. We have to take another birth. That means husband says to wife, this is not good work. Don't waste time. Don't you put your time in practice of Krishna consciousness. Don't pull out time like this way. That idea cannot understand by the wife. She thinks in bad way about her husband. So husband tries to make understand the wife, but wife is not in the mood of understanding. This will continue throughout the life. For this, to make wife understand the husband's ideas, one more life extended, one birth extended. You have to take another birth. Like anger. Many times we see somebody is angry towards somebody else. To fulfill that, you have to become strong in next life. The other person become weak to show your anger. We are desiring to revenge somebody that may not be possible in these circumstances and situations. Krishna has arranged another type of circumstances. When in that he has to fulfill, that is how another birth is created in this life. This life becomes the background for the next life. When we come to this world, we have family members. We deal with different family members. So we interact with people. Because of that interaction with others, one feels acute pain. No greater pain than this pain. I understand. I felt this in so many ways in my life. For this only, I lost my health also. No greater pain than this pain. Scientists does not have calculated that pain because they don't have any measurement for such pain. All their measurements are into equations. If they cannot put into equations, they cannot calculate. Scientists, 2H2 plus O2 gives rise to 2H2O. Like this. The point is, when somebody speaks harsh to you, how you feel? Can it be measured? Can it be put into equation? There is no science which can be expressed the feelings of a person. Feelings cannot be measured. Pain cannot be measured. Like I may speak harshly, all of you have different responses. Who can measure such pain? How can we measure feelings? Child is crying. Who can understand? Minimum, mother understands better than others. Scientist means seeing is believing. You know, you may be hear the crying of baby. How much the amount of pain he is experiencing. So these feelings are completely removed in science. That's why today people are insensitive to feelings of others. So many persons are suffering with so many difficulties. But people are insensitive to feelings of those suffering people. They don't observe even what they are feeling, what they are suffering. Nowadays is like that. At least last 50 years in movies, a lot of feelings would express it. Now it is only gun and shoot, only activities. There is no feelings. There is expression of pain, sorrow, pleasure, all these things. All are manifested only, bodily actions only. Today I stop this episode here. I will continue in next episode. श्रील गुरु महाराज की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, श्री श्री राधा गोविंद जी भगवान की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, निताई गौर प्रेमानंदे, हरि हरि बोल। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। निताई गौर प्रेमानंदे, हरि हरि बोल।